Hey guys, today I'm here and I am going to react to Miranda Sings Charlie Pencil Challenge. So I've heard of it and it's like supposed to be like this demon or something. And yeah, so let's see.
Hey, I'm Miranda. Today, everyone has been requesting that I do the Charlie Pencil Challenge.
Ew.
So I guess all you do is you have a piece of paper and it's a yes, no, and you put two pencils on top of each other and then you talk to Charlie, are you there? And see if he wants to come out to play. So, we'll see if he wants to come out. I don't even know what it is. Is it a troll? Is it a leprechaun? Is it an angel? I have no idea. So I'm excited to find out who Charlie is. So here we go.
Okay, I'm just pointing out, she was way too much lipstick. She probably put like 50 layers.
Why aren't you balancing? How the heck can I even do this? I'm not a strong to say. This is impossible. Okay, here we go. So I guess I just talk to it. And the leprechaun will come out and play.
Let's see.
Charlie, come out to play. Hello? Charlie, come out to play. Hello?
Said no.
A bank. Did you see that? Wait! Don't move me, Nate.
He doesn't want to play.
Don't move me, Nate.
Probably you.
I didn't do that.
Oh, she answered me. That's creepy. What's wrong with that?
Charlie, come out to play. Hello?
Charlie,
I'm a leprechaun. I'm gonna look it up. What is the spooky Charlie game? The Charlie Challenge is a version of a way-eye jive board that needs two pencils and a piece of paper. If Charlie, a supposed ancient evil spirit, please be sure to not participate and encourage others to avoid participation as well. The problem with opening yourself up to demonic activity is that it opens a window of possibility which is not easily closed. What?
I have to point out that face. The look at it. It's beautiful. Okay. Oh my gosh.
It scares the toots out of me.
How is he
Charlie, please leave me alone. I'm not kidding about it. Please put the grace of myself into your spirit. And stop doing that. Stop scaring children. Stop scaring adults. I will pray for you, Charlie, every day. Maybe then you'll stop scaring people and stop biting people's fingers, Charlie. Because that really hurts when you do that. Well, you're welcome. I just saved your lives from a demon who's going on the internet and scaring people. So I'm going to be praying for Charlie every single day. And hopefully he will leave you all alone. Stop me!
She's scary. Okay.
And so today, everyone has been requesting that I do the Charlie Pencil Challenge.
So if you don't understand what she says, it's right there.
So, don't I get...
I don't know how I did that. How do I do that? How did I do that? Now I'm going to watch that for the rest of my life. Okay. So, that was fun. I learned how demons come out. Since that was very short, I'm going to watch another of Miranda Sings. So let's see. So, what should I watch? I'm going to make it like a kind of a a shorty video, but not too shorty. Maybe like there's a lot of stuff she does. I had to search for the perfect video, and I was thinking Charlie. I'll put my hands up and play in my song, better place fly away. I'm gonna have it bloom. What about my family? It's by Colleen. It's Colleen. Oh my gosh. I don't know what that means. I'm confused about my family.
This is my bro and this is my tradition. This is his wife and this is my children. This is my bro and this is my sister. This is my family. My family. My family.
I just want to say, I'm just pointing out how that boy's dancing and how Rachel's
My
dancing.
family. My mom and daddy got swag.
We got some chickens. You know you're jealous of us. We all got mittens. Now we want to be a Ballinger and get without fight.
You don't need to get adopted.
You just gotta subscribe. Wait. They have a channel? They have channels? I only knew Colleen and Rachel's channel.
This is my bro and
Oh, no. I knew his channel. I didn't know Jeff's channel. Hi! I knew about her channel. I like her dance moves. What is I wanted like that boy's dancing to me. Yeah, he's the last one. And then it's gonna be like the kids. Oh, that kid's dance is amazing. Yeah. I'm Bailey. I love to read. A little book. It's all I need. Wait. 7-Eleven hat. So, let me wear. I learned math in my rocking chair. I'm Jacob. This is my sword. I'm doing anything. I'm a cowboy. For my EpiPen. I'm Parker. Calling is my thing. I eat my hands and I like to sing. Blah, 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 blah.
My bro and
He's a magician.
his wife and
He's a magician.
my bro and
He's my sister.
this is my family. My family. My family. My family. What? I don't understand.
Rachel, how don't you understand? You were supposed to see in the video doing those weird dance moves.
My family. My family.
So that was good. Anything else to watch that's gonna long? I'm Bailey. I love to read. I'm from school. Best beware. I learned math in my rocking chair. So this is fun. What about a little bit? I like it like that.
Hey guys, me Miranda. I've been working really hard on this new cover song for
It's
you.
only two minutes.
It's Cardi
This is
B.
gonna be the last.
I like
This
it.
is gonna be the last video. Oh, that's weird. This is gonna be the last video.
Songs really popular nowadays. Don't forget to get my new listing. You can get it on Miranda Sings List.
I want that.
If you I look like me and Cardi B get the less dick. So here's the cover of my song.
I didn't need to watch you wipe your eye.
Hope you like it. Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like sunshine, I like shining, I like $1 million deals, where's my pin? Beep, I'm pink, I like Balenciaga, the ones that look like socks. I'm going to be the chore, I'll put on all
Okay,
my
that's kind of
walk.
boring. That's kind of boring. I'm trying to be rude to Miranda Sings, but she just... Thank You Next might be a bit better.
Crap. Forgot Jen's birthday present. I'm like the worst sister ever.
Hey guys, it's me Miranda. So apparently
One time on
pregnant. You can tell it's not real. She's just doing it for the views and for the attention. Also, she looks like a freaking Oompa Loompa. Her skin is orange. Thank you, next.
Ariana Grande. Rihanna says, honest to God, knock me out. So
Ariana!
I decided to punch myself in the face.
Ari, why would you do that? Ariana looks really pretty here. Okay, well, so far in this video, I would say I'm disappointed because there's been no singing. Ariana, step up your game. If it's a music video and I'm just watching other people talk, like, hello, it's not a music video.
Yeah.
Who's that? Ricky Dillon? Who's this blonde girl? Oh my gosh, she punched Ellen. Which one of these is Ariana? Why is that girl touching her boobies? Okay, so there's 4 girls going to school. All I know is that a little weird that their dad followed them to school that day, so. Oh, Joan Grande's in the video. She's looking good. I've never seen her in pink. She usually wears black, so this is a nice change for her. Oh, there's Ariana. Who's that? Is that Pete? Who the heck is this guy? He just freaking wasted toothpaste. You're not supposed to spit it out. You're supposed to swallow it. A smart
Ew.
person always swallows. Remember that. What the heck? No offense, but there's a really fat girl in there, which I celebrate all shapes and sizes, but the girl's pretty fat. Oh,
She's pregnant.
fat girl messed up. They're all doing the choreography, and look at the fat girl over here. She totally messes up the choreography. Watch this. Everyone else is rolling their fists, and she is being lazy. Way to be the laziest one there. You're in an Ariana Grande music video, and you can't even get the choreography right, and you ate too much right before. No offense. I'm just trying to say, you should have asked for a bigger costume. What the heck? All this freaking booty twerking. Come on. Ariana, you're gonna get demonetized if you have porn in your freaking video. Learn about YouTube. She's crying. She's crying because someone cut her hair. Ariana, who cut your hair?
Have you ever gone out with someone that had no teeth at all?
I have, and very slippery. Thank you. Next, I'm so freaking grateful for my ex. She got the guy from Queer Eye for a Straight Guy. The hairdresser. Who is this daddy? Is that Mitch from Pentatonics? Oh, and Scott Hoying is here too. A lot of cameos. Oh, Ariana kissed the fat girl.
Thank you, next, bitch.
Bad word, Joan Grande. So here's my thoughts. I wish that Ariana was in it more. There was a lot of a blonde girl. There was a lot of other people talking. Her daddy was in it, or someone's daddy. Overall,
Okay, so that's enough of Miranda Sings, and hope you liked the video. Bye-bye. Wait, why am I ending it here? So subscribe, hit that like button down below, subscribe. And I already said that, but I'm just saying, make sure it is gray. It's gray. Gray's the best color for YouTube. I don't know why it's red. So yeah. Sorry. And then hit the bell so you know every time I post, and it's pretty much every Friday, maybe. So anytime I can post or something, sometimes I might be busy. So yeah. Goodbye.